Welcome to the secret of resilience. Are you in a dead-end job? Is your business not growing? Unable to achieve those personal goals that you've been working on for the last year, 6 months, even longer than that? Well, the secret to it is being able to build resilience. We've all heard this. We've even seen books written about it. We've seen videos about it, but how to actually execute on it. So I'm going to walk you through a very short mini course that's going to help you to master the capability on how to not give up and to thrive in anything you do by building resilience. I have a 7-step process that I'm going to walk you through step by step with exercises on how to start by being able to create hope for yourself, being able to systematically and objectively build your resilience, and how to pivot. And when you master the capability of pivoting, as an old saying goes, set your goal to the moon and you've made it to the stars, you've made it far enough. Although it may sound limiting in its nature, it is far from it. It is our ability to be so resilient that we can get to a distant place with a far great goal and cause that we have. Today, I'm going to walk you through this mini course and I'm going to help you overcome whatever it is that you're trying to do that's getting in the way of trying to make you give up. We're going to build that resilience and we're going to help you thrive to get through whatever it is that you're going to need to get through. I'm here to help you to build resilience. Welcome to the secrets of how to build resilience with myself, Nader Sabry. Thank you for joining.